Hi, welcome back to Data Learn. So today's video is on conditional formatting, but in the previous two tutorials I covered everything under conditional formatting. The only thing remaining was new rules, that is to format a particular cell as per a formula. All right, so let's get into this particular one. I wanted to make a separate video since it required a different example. And this is also a very useful part of conditional formatting where you can format your table as per a formula. All right, let's get into this. For this particular example, as you can see, I have created a different table, pretty similar to the previous one, but we have tweaked it a bit. All right, so there is a purchase price here for this table and unit price, total price, quantity, product, and so on. So in this example, I want to highlight cells which are greater than my purchase price. All right, so let me highlight this column, go into conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. This is the last one here. Okay, now this is where you enter your formula. Let's begin. Is equal to, okay, I want my total price E4 if it is greater than or equal to my purchase price, that is B1. You format this to yellow. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, nothing has happened because first of all E4 is 40, so it's not greater. Let me change this to 80. Now my entire table has turned yellow, which is obviously incorrect. So that means something was wrong with our formula. Let's go back to manage rules and edit this formula. Okay, as you might remember, in our VLOOKUP video, we covered the concept of dollar sign. So dollar sign is basically when you want to lock in the row and the column. So here what has happened is I have locked in only this cell, due to which the formula was incorrectly applied. So what I want to do here is edit this formula. So let's go and write this formula again. Is equal to E4. So what is happening here? Excel is automatically applying the dollar signs. So I want to lock in this column E but not this row 4 because the formula has to apply for all the rows. So you remove the dollar sign before 4. So E4 is greater than or equal to B1. This is correct because this is the only cell I want each row to compare it to. So this has to be locked in. Okay, okay, apply, okay. Here you go. Now this is correct. It has highlighted all the cells which are greater than 40. I go back and change this to 40. The highlight is gone. Okay, perfect. Now what I want to do is I want to highlight this entire row, not only the total price cell. Okay, that can also be done. So let us first remove this. Okay, all right. So let's highlight this entire table now. Go back to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula, and here let's write the formula once again. E4, again, as you know, I want to lock in only the column, not the row. So dollar sign before E, then 4 is greater than, equal to B1. Format this. I'll say this time make it blue and let's make the font bold. Okay, okay, applied. So now all the rows have been highlighted in each and every column, whichever is greater than 60. Okay, here you go. So it's pretty straightforward and simple. The only difference was that for the second part, I highlighted the entire table, but the formula remained the same. As you can see, the formula remained the same, but I highlighted the entire table. So the entire table got highlighted as per the formula. Alright, so this was pretty straightforward and simple. If you want to go and change your format, you can go back to fill, say I want it in this color this time. Okay, apply, okay. Here you go. Alright, so this concludes our conditional formatting tutorial. Do let us know if you've enjoyed these videos, and please do like and subscribe. It would encourage us to make more videos on various topics. Excel has a lot more to go. So, alright, thank you.